in mountains or in desert, or maybe. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. No problem. And again, raise safe and nutritious food, housing, homelessness, community belonging. So, as you can see here, there are a couple of variables, a lot of variables that they affect on our health. Do you have any question? Is it clear? Thank you very much. Yes, enjoy it. You can write them. It's better for you. Of course, my slide is here, and you can get, and there is access to it. And of course, my friend is recording the video, and we are going to upload this class in my channel in YouTube, Instagram, etc. You can access to it. So we have some health indicators, health measures. The first one is prevalence rate. Prevalence rate. Who can explain and who can discuss about prevalence rate for us? Any volunteer? What's the meaning of prevalence? Yes. As you can see here, prevalence rate means proportion of persons in a population who have a particular disease over a specified period of time. What does it mean? We have a formula here. In epidemiology, we have a formula here for prevalence rate. For prevalence rate, we have a numerator and denominator. Yes? Denominator. For numerator, all new and existing cases during a given time period. We have it on numerator. Yes. For denominator, we have population during the time period. So, if we have the number here, and then we divide it on population during same time period, we are able to calculate prevalence rate. And of course, the output can be multiplied in 100. If you are going to calculate it as a percent, we should multiply the output at 100%. 100. Again, prevalence means the amount of a disease at one particular point in time and the proportion of people who have the disease. Yes? So here again, we have a fraction. We have a fraction here. On the numerator, we have number of people with disease. In denominator, we have the number of people in the population. Is it clear? So, it's prevalence rate. It's one of the most important indicators in epidemiology, in health. What prevalence measures? Prevalence measures help to describe the current burden of a disease in a population in order to facilitate planning and resource allocation. So, for example, you as a manager, you are going to plan for your community. Yes? You should know the prevalence rate of most important diseases. For example, in some countries, there are some diseases that they are more prevalent, and there are some other diseases that they are rare. Yes? So, it's better for you to start for prevalent, more common diseases. Calculate prevalence rate. It's your test. Please calculate. Is it clear? Are you able to see it? Here we have, in a survey of reports at a major medical center, 80 out of 500 patients were treated for one or more nosocomial infections in the past 6 months. Calculate prevalence. Go ahead, please. 1 minute. How many? 16%. 60 or 16? 16. Thank you very much. 16%. Why? Could you please explain for us?
It's 18
Great. Great. As we said here, thank you very much. As we said here, yes, numerator 80, denominator 500. Prevalence means 80 divides 500. Yes, so the output is 16%. Thank you very much. What's your name, lady? Please. Mustafa. Mustafa Redwan Fatima Zahra. Thank you very much. Yes. I think that all of you can get a point until the end of class. Yes. No problem. It's good. It's great for all of you. Thank you very much. Another formula and another statistic. It was named as incidence rate. Yes. We have prevalence rate, and now we have incidence rate. Incidence rate expresses the probability of or risk of illness in a population over a period of time. So as you see here, in prevalence, we had a cross-section. We had a point for time. The exact time. For example, we say 1st of Aban. You know Aban? Yes, it's first. 1st of Aban. Yes, it's a cross-section for time. 1st of time. For prevalence, we refer to an exact time. But for incidence, we need a duration for time. Duration. For example, we see for the total year of 2019. Yes, it's a year. It's a period of time. But if we say 1st of Aban, for example, 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. on 1st of Aban. Yes, so it relates to an exact time. The frequency of new events, new illnesses, for a specified population over a given period of time multiplied by a population base. So in incidence, we are going to discuss about the number of new cases. Another difference, new cases. But in prevalence, we are going to discuss about new cases and existing cases. Maybe previous cases, maybe older cases, yes, of disease that develop over time. And here we have formula. So again, numerator is new cases occurring over a period of time, and denominator is population at risk during same time. Yes. Multiply 10 n. What is n here? What is n? What's this? Who can discuss about 10n? N is an exponent. Yes, 10 is an exponent. Here, in our formula, in most of the epidemiology, about our statistics, yes, we have some coefficients. You know coefficients? We have some coefficients. And it relates to us that what are interested for in calculating our outputs. For example, we can select n as 2, 3, 4, 5. It depends on us. For example, in previous example, I selected 2.